guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're at a say hi to Casey. Alright, Casey. Jesus, Casey, say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi. Be polite now. Alright. She's polite, guys, but
Do it over.
do it over?
Yeah.
Say hi, Casey.
Hi.
This is Casey, guys.
Hi.
My dear friend. Anyways, we're at a all-you-can-eat restaurant, right?
It's a buffet.
It's a buffet. Buffet? Buffet?
Buffet.
Is that right? Sorry. So yeah,
Go ahead.
go ahead, man.
What
Yeah.
would you like to drink? I want. Okay.
Probably some orange juice. Orange juice.
All right. You can follow me. I'll show you where you're sitting.
Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna get seated.
All right. This is your table right here. You can help yourself.
Thank you.
Is
This is how in here looks. RKC, say ready for well, say ready to eat all you can. Alright guys, so we're going to eat all we can.
that we want to eat.
All that you, but you know that expensive? It was like
Only $17.
$17 for each person.
Not bad.
No.
Look crazy and everything.
Who me?
You look crazy.
No man, guys, this is our look how Casey look pretty.
No,
This is,
not right now.
you know, natural beauty. What are you talking about, girl? Girl, baby. No man,
Right now.
skin nice, unlike mine. But anyways, that's for another talk. Alright, come Casey, we're hungry.
Take up plates. Okay, we can go and take the plates and dish out our food and come and sit down and eat actually. That's what it
Alright,
is.
let's go. Ready? Can we just come sit down, so? So now we're going to, guys, we're going to dish out our food. Okay, so go. Let's get the plates. So this is everything that's on the menu. What is this, Kissy? What's that? It was like a mushroom? You who eat mushroom? I think we need to know what it is. Ooh. Can I get my plate, please? Eh? So I'm gonna take out my plates. Alright guys, so it's all you can eat, so I'm gonna take some of this broccoli. Get Casey. Guys, look at Casey plate. Casey have 2 plates and no, I don't put anything in my. Alright, hold on. Alright, so now go over here, so now to what's this? I don't even know what's that, but anyways. Take some shrimp.
I know what you're doing.
I love shrimp, so of course I'll take some shrimp. Take some shrimp. I don't eat onion, but we're gonna take it anyways. Try a little bit more. That's it. Alright, so I'm gonna put the boneless ribs in here. Why not? Like so. Alright, people, I think that's it. Casey enjoying her food, guys. Where's the Casey?
This is really nice. You love it. It's kind of a sweetish, tasty.
Alright, so guys, I'm going back for one more plate. Casey eating. Casey. We get fork?
I'm going to turn the camera by yourself.
Okay, guys, so this is everything I have so far. So yeah, I'm going to taste all of these stuff.
No, I like this cushions.
Where's the Casey? It tastes good?
This is bad.
Oh my god. Don't tell me the plant tastes bad. It tastes bad?
I like it.
You know, like, oh, let me take 3 of them. Yo. So Casey did take what is broccoli, mushrooms. Alright, so I have ribs, rice, shrimp, pepper shrimp, and I have some fries and stuff. I have some orange juice. Alright, so we can catch a camera, you know. Hold on. There goes my heart beating. Ooh.
Trying to drink too much. Fill up my belly for more back. Got my money back.
You fresh? Oh.
I don't know what I'm doing now back. That food tastes good.
My friends they don't want to know what I'm doing in the back. They know say restaurant can be really
Especially a restaurant like this.
nasty. Alright, so anyways, move the salt and pepper out of the way. Oh man, no. Ready. So this is the not even Casey not even want to know what is. Them say beef, them say ribs, and I hit me out work with. This tastes nice.
The rice, right with the rice.
Tastes this bad.
Everything bad.
I guess I'm gonna taste the shrimp.
It's a mukbang.
Is that mukbang? Oh wait. Let me turn the camera on. Alright. Hold on the Casey. Alright, see. That Casey I taste it.
No, the sweet corn taste, sir.
The shrimp. Alright, ready Casey? Let's taste the shrimp, guys. Peel it off. Cause the other shrimp tastes good. Cause you forgot you see.
You like it? Let's see. No, not tasty, really.
Probably take out the crust. Probably eat with the crust.
Never kept it earlier. The flavor is nice, huh? But the shrimp,
The shrimp here, nice.
bad.
Have a little peppery. There. Do it.
Really nice. Now go back for more. And this tastes good too. Pork. The ribs taste good.
I'm not a rib person or beef. I'm not like them type of stuff there. But dude,
Bad.
it have a buzz.
Have enough buzz. Alright, let me try this mushroom and Shanice will like though.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yes, you are. Thanks for asking.
Oh no, yeah. I guys are really rushing for. Okay, go ahead with the plate.
Okay.
No, sure it's gonna have the plate stuck up.
Yeah. What about that anyways?
Starting with the plate. Alright, let me taste this one now.
Alright, Casey, I taste mushroom. I hate mushroom. Well, you some never eat have mushroom?
It tastes good. Take one.
No, we can't.
Taste it now.
Just how it looks.
Taste it.
We don't know.
Taste it. Watch it now. Cause you're gonna like it, you know. Eat it, my friend. Try it now.
It just look.
Finish eat the thing. See? What?
Particular Casey. Me not like you.
You like it? They're not good things, huh? What is? What is Mr. Good?
It is kind of slimy and kind of
What?
mushy. Me not
slimy.
like the. Not slime, sorry. Me not like the texture. The texture. We're not greedy, we're just trying out everything on the menu because it's all you can eat, you understand? And why not, you know? And so far,
Your money's worth too.
exactly. And so far, the food not bad. The food not bad, Casey. The rice nice.
I'm trying to drink my wine, so I'm gonna fill up my belly.
In case I drink wine, I drink orange juice, guys. I'm gonna take some garlic bread. Probably try 2. Corn. But no one over here, so here's our raw meat, raw food. They can cook it up for you, however you like, however you want. Try this fried chicken. Alright people, so see there, garlic bread and fried chicken and sweet corn and some potatoes. Alright, so I'm gonna try the garlic bread. Garlic bread really nice. Fried chicken. The bread, soft, buttery. It's not bad. Crazy.
You tell me no. Everything.
This is Casey plate.
Garlic bread, you want it?
Nice man. So Casey, you really go back for okay.
I probably go back to church too.
Turn.
Cake pastry, now we have cake too. What's that for?
So what is the corn? Oh. Because you have this better corn.
Where's the...
What's the sweet corn?
So you can go on.
Yeah, it can go on. It have a buzz.
It's a little buzz.
What I like though, guys, I love the I love this. This is my favorite.
No.
Katie's in distress.
Forcing.
Forcing the food. The food here, it gives you ligaritis. Ligaritis. That's the word? The right word? Ligaritis?
Right.
Want to sticky? Want to taste chicken, Katie? What else?
Fish. Want to taste it? Enough food is.
Like things that look kind of unusual. I'm gonna really, I'm gonna really know. Wait, babe. I'm gonna eat certain fish. To be honest, like I never eat catfish before, so I'm not really try it. I don't want to try it. I don't know.
Might like it.
Yeah. It's gonna look triable.
Come cheers to great success.
Damn. Come look at it.
Orange juice, serious Chinese. I'm a bad wine.
Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, this is actually the next day. Yeah, last night was awesome. Guys, I eat so much. I couldn't even walk. I couldn't even get up. You know, and to be honest, everything like the food was awesome. Like everything I tasted, except the mushroom. Yeah, because I don't like mushroom. That was awful. But anyways, everything else was on point. Like to be honest, I was surprised, to be honest. Like literally, I was surprised. You know, guys, the time is, I don't know, I kind of feel chilly. Yeah, it's not cold, but I feel a bit chilly. So I'm in like so many clothes right now. Yeah, I like to feel cozy. So yeah, I get up now and look about something. I'm in a socks. God. Ooh. Guys, we can't even find my tripod, but so if the phone moves shaky, sorry, my apologies. Anyways, look, I'm going to brush my teeth. Sorry. What's my my special soap? This soap actually hit my face so much, like it's crazy. But for some reason it kind of dry up my skin, and I contemplate whether to stop use it because my skin be dry as like very dry. But it really good though because it took out the spots and bumps and all those stuff on my face, but it just left my skin really dry. So yeah. Whew. Anyway guys, I'm going to look about some breakfast now. Yeah, my hair is a mess, but who cares? Like, I don't. Yes, I think I'm gonna make some cereal. Yeah, it's one of my favorite cereal, guys. Honey bunch of roses, of oats, not roses. I say. Grab the milk, something quick and fast. Use this almond milk. That's it. I wonder even for warm the milk, just to, cause it's kind of cold, but I don't like when the cereal is saggy, so I don't know. Probably not. Hold on. There's no dish. Everything in the washer. Don't have much dish, guys, but who cares? Shake it up. Oh, let me shake up this. Just get a little shake. I think that's it. Okay, so I'm all done. Yeah, I'm going to just wash up my plate and yeah, I think I'm going to go on the road afterwards. I'm not sure. I see it, but you guys will see. Okay. Why am I whispering? Well, anyways, you guys will definitely see what's my next move because you're coming with me. Okay. Crazy. Get myself a lot. Some water.
My belly feel full now.
Okay, so so yeah, I'm gonna get ready right now to go on the road. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm ready. That's Casey. Alright, Casey look good. Guys, don't worry about this in our bath suit. We're going to go on the beach. Go take some pictures. Yeah, for her business. Okay. I'm all ready. Guys, how do I look? Ew. Alright. I'll go on Fatty. Fatty don't look too bad. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave out now. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are at the beach. We're almost there. See Casey there. Woo. Woo. Oh shit, you do want to cheer for? The long, yeah.
Like the other area. The
Oh,
other
okay.
side. Ooh.
Ew. Chocolate and caramel.
Yep.
Black beauties. Okay. Don't play with us. Okay guys, so Casey's gonna take some photos for her business. So that's what we're here to do. So yeah. So I'm going to take the photos for her. She's already dressed. Casey, we're trying to figure out this thing, guys. So there's Casey, guys. Actually right now we're looking for a bench. She wants to take a picture on a bench. So yeah, but Casey's faster than I am. So she reached way ahead of me. I'm still struggling. I mean, walking in the sun is it's a lot of damn work, man. Jeez, a lot of work. Casey reached. Let me see if we can zoom up on her. See her, guys. She find a bench. I just zoomed up a while ago. I have a little more distance to go. Jeez. Whew. One footprint in the sand. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, guys. So finished the Casey pictures. You did like the Casey? And trust me, yo, I love them too because they're fire. Yeah. Anyways, guys, out here is so beautiful and windy.
Yes, and cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Love it too.
But we're here chilling. We're gonna
Love
eat.
it too. I know. I was thinking about Subways.
Oh, Subway.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you know what long I
Fresh.
eat Subway? Oh my god. Oh, here is beautiful. Guys, I'm
really
showing you.
beautiful.
Turn the camera up. Oh my god, Casey, you look so cute.
Thank you.
Girl.
You too. You're looking cute too.
All natural. Okay.
All
Don't play
natural.
with us.
Love it too. Love it too.
Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how, you know. Look at that, guys. The sun is setting. No, when the sun's already.
So it's actually getting darker.
Yeah, so right now it's
No. Wait, look at the time.
you know guys, right now it's about 5 o'clock and the time.
Because it was long night,
Long night now and short
day.
long night, short day. Yeah, so you know, so we're here sitting down on the beach, chillaxing in the cold.
So we're gonna
I'm
get some
stopping.
food right now.
Focus, don't do that. Yeah, we get some
Get some
food.
food.
So we're there.
Don't forget
So me one idiot because me never carry no jacket. I mean no, so the time I get chilly. Like this is crazy.
Right.
Ah.
The moon is out. The beach.
Muy loud. I'm eating some Subway right now. I stopped on the way to get some Subway. That's Casey's. Yes, so that we do right now. We eat some food. I got the herb and cheese bread with turkey breast, lettuce, tomato, not onion because I don't eat onion. Lettuce, tomato, jalapeno. What is name? I forgot. Whatever this is, and yeah, mayo, honey mustard. That's basically it. And cheese. I got a pepper jack cheese and the other cheese. Yeah. So that's a one. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Nice. Guys, Casey put everything on fair. I want to show them. Casey sandwich.
It's really nice. Everything.
Everything, every sauce. I'm belly full now. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll talk to you guys soon.